Hey, we've spent so much time exploring the vastness of our own cosmos, but what if everything we see, the billions of galaxies, the trillions of stars, and the 13.8 billion years of history, is just one tiny bubble in a much larger ocean? This is the multiverse. It's the mind-bending idea that our universe isn't the only one, but just one of an infinite number of universes, each with its own laws of physics and its own version of reality. Forget the idea that universe means everything. In these theories, we live in a level 1 multiverse, which is simply the parts of space that are too far away for their light to have reached us yet. Because space is likely infinite, if you travel far enough, math suggests you would eventually run into a duplicate of our own galaxy, and even a duplicate of you. But it gets much weirder. Scientists look at the cosmic inflation that happened right after the Big Bang. They suggest that space is constantly expanding, like a sea of foam, and bubbles are constantly popping up. Each bubble is a separate universe. This is the eternal inflation theory. In this scenario, the laws of physics might be different in every bubble. In one universe, gravity might be so weak that stars never form. In another, it might be so strong that everything immediately collapses into black holes. We just happen to live in the lucky bubble, where the settings are just right for life to exist. But what if you didn't have to travel far to find another universe? According to the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, every time a subatomic particle makes a choice, the universe splits. Every decision you make, every flip of a coin, and every star that explodes creates a new branch. In this version of the multiverse, there is a reality where the dinosaurs never went extinct, and a reality where you're currently the emperor of Mars. You aren't just one person. You are a near infinite number of versions of yourself spread across a cosmic tree of possibilities. So why haven't we found any proof? The problem is that these other universes are, by definition, outside of our reach. We can't see them, touch them, or send them a signal. However, some cosmologists are looking for bruises in the cosmic microwave background radiation, tiny cold spots that might be the literal scars from where another bubble universe bumped into ours. The multiverse might be the ultimate answer to why our universe is so perfectly tuned for life. We aren't a miracle, we're just the one universe that happened to get the math right out of an infinite number of tries. So the next time you look at the night sky, remember, you might not just be looking at distant stars, but at the thin walls of our own reality, with infinite other worlds sitting just on the other side. Pretty wild, right?